If you're still broke in 2026, it's probably not because you're lazy or stupid. In most cases, it's because of a few tiny habits around money that never changed. Today, I want to walk you through 5 small money habits that sound almost too simple, but quietly change where you end up in 5 or 10 years. No crazy spreadsheets, no hustle 24/7, no get rich quick nonsense. Just a few things you can start even if your bank account is at zero right now. Let's start with the first one. Habit one, pay yourself first. You pay yourself first, not last. Here's what most people do: they get paid, they pay rent, bills, maybe debt, then they spend on food, fun, random stuff, and then they tell themselves, if there's anything left at the end of the month, I'll save it. You already know how that ends. There is never anything left. Life is very good at finding new ways to spend money that just sits there. So we flip the order. When money comes in, the first bill you pay is to yourself. That means you set up a small automatic transfer from your main account to a separate account the day after you get paid. Habit two, look at one number every day. You look at one simple money number every single day. A lot of people avoid their finances because it feels overwhelming. They think they need a perfect budget or they feel ashamed of their debt, so they just stop looking. The problem is, if you never look, your brain treats money like a blurry fog. So instead of tracking 20 categories, start with one number. Habit three, kill one money leak per month. Every month, you kill one money leak. We all have them: subscriptions we barely use, plans we once needed, but now they're just there. Habit four, one weekly money hour. You give your money one focused hour every week. Most people only touch their finances when something is on fire. Wealth is almost never built in panic. It's built in calm, boring sessions. Habit five, invest tiny amounts automatically. You automatically invest tiny amounts, even if they look ridiculous at the start. A mistake many beginners make is waiting until they have real money to invest. The truth is, when you're just starting, the amount matters less than the habit. Let's put these 5 habits next to each other. Pay yourself first, look at one number, kill one leak, give your finances 1 hour, and invest small amounts. If this video gave you even one habit you want to try, pick one and start it today. Hit like and subscribe. Which tiny money habit are you going to start?